we don't get filled. If somebody wants to buy, they're still buying at this price. If they want to sell, they can sell at that price. If they want to sell, they can then sell at this price. If they want to sell, they can sell at this price. If they want to sell, they can sell at this price. But if they want to buy, boom, they buy at that price. If they want to buy, they buy at that price. If they want to buy, they buy at that price. And you're manipulating the price down, and ultimately the idea is that the price is then going to rip higher, isn't it? Price is ripped higher. Everything's beautiful in its own way. How good was that inside the liquidity book, guys? Look at that sell trade. Unbelievable, wasn't it? Unbelievable. That is a work of beauty right there. Another 20 ticks. That's trade number 4 for me. I've made at least 10 ticks on all 4 trades. At least 10 ticks on all 4. And that one's just gone from 68 down to 75. So 25 ticks. Unbelievable. What a brilliant sell trade. We've been calling this for a long time, as you know, but we are booking a little bit of money at 75. A little bit of money at 75 here. So, interestingly enough, I also tweeted this. Did everybody see my tweet? Four likes, can't believe it. Almost a world record for oil. And we said it looks like they're going to hang this one out until the NYMEX Open. So we know that they're going to try and take it up until 2 o'clock, right? They're going to try and hold this price bid until 2 o'clock. And we should be getting close and ready to start working into this, Miguel. Would you agree with that? Does everybody understand what I'm saying here? You don't understand what I'm saying, Larry, that we're hanging this one out until the NYMEX Open. You weren't in, obviously, earlier. We'd been talking about oil, and we were looking at a top edge sell. So we've been looking at a top edge sell because of the big short we've got on the night on the swap dealers, a massive short on the swap dealers, right? So because it's the time of the day here, my feeling is they're going to hang this trade out at the top edges here until around about the NYMEX Open and then mark it down from the NYMEX, okay? So the NYMEX Open is going to be 1400 hours, right? So what happened? What happened? So there's the 14 hours candle right there. Do you see it? What happened? They marked it down from 1400 hours, didn't they? So they hung it out at the top edge until the NYMEX Open, and then they absolutely hammered it the way we did. 68 sell side, just traded 67.70s. It's a crazy good trade, isn't it? Crazy good trade. And it's exactly the type of trade that we draw on the charts on the whiteboard over and over and over and over and over again, so that everybody sees that pattern for what turns out to be a short accumulation here. It's also the time of the day is problematic. Trying to do any short accumulation at 12 noon, you know it's going to be rubbish, right? You know it's going to be one of those types of trades, and you'll be saying to yourself, I bet they hang this sell trade out for the whole hour until we get into the NYMEX Open. Well, I can't make it up, can I? Because that's timestamped for an hour prior, isn't it? Look. Well, not an hour prior, guys, half an hour prior, my mistake. So we sent this out at 1:28, so that's a half hour before the actual NYMEX Open itself. And we'd kind of obviously been looking at this and saying this is going to be hung out the top edges here until we hit that 2 o'clock point, in which case we need to be short at 2 o'clock. And there's the trade there at 55 right there. So hopefully you came in a minute early, 2 minutes early, 5 minutes earlier. Because if you waited, you're starting to pay 90s for that sell trade rather than, perhaps 96s, 97s. And again, we've just hit another one out the park here. So we've done a fortune on this top edge so far. It's not even went VWAP offered yet, and we've done a fortune on it. Can't believe that, right? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, easy stuff done well, guys. As always, just the easy stuff done well.